Okay, Jack, what do you have?
Birthday presents.
From who?
Graham.
All right, go for it.
No way, Benton. One. Benton Volume 1.
Sweet.
Awesome.
What do you say?
Thank you.
All right.
Oh, yes, yes, yes! Benton! Yes, yes, yes. I want this so bad. Yes.
Good work, Graham. What do you say, Jack?
Thank you.
Let me see it. That's exactly what you wanted, isn't it?
Yes, and I wanted the different one. It's kind of the same, but it's different.
Wow. Say thanks, Graham.
Thanks.